All right, guys, so I'm super excited. I'm not doing no intro in my video today. I have some exciting news that I'm going to do today. So, you know me, Jessica is always crazy, and I'm always going to do something crazy on my channel. So, ready for this, guys? I'm going to do my makeup with a snake on my neck. I'm ready for this challenge. I'm so scared of snake, guys. I just hope that everything comes out great. And I'm like looking at the snake right now and I'm freaking out. But guys, this is how much I love you guys. So the reason why I'm doing this challenge is because I'm almost near the 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So when I'm telling you guys, I'm always going to do something crazy for my subscribers. So are you ready, guys? All right, let's go. You better come this way. No, come this way. No! No, this is real. Okay. All right. So, oh my God. So, okay, oh my God. Guys, do you see this right now? Now, he won't mind. Is a she or a girl? Oh boy.
I call it a boy.
Okay, so, okay. Woo, guys, can you see this? All right.
Trying to get him like on you. How you feeling?
It feels so weird. Do you see this, guys? Let me put the camera a little lower. Wow, guys, I'm having a snake. Okay, this is real. So now, ooh, I don't even want to move. Okay, we're gonna begin. All right, guys, so we're going to use the Tarte. Oh, I can't even lift my hands up. Should I lift it? Okay,
yeah,
we're going to use the Tarte Shape Concealer, and we're gonna prime over our eyelids. This feels so weird. Oh my goodness. Is it gonna kiss me or something?
Oh yeah.
No. I'm gonna use this sponge right here and I'm just gonna blend my concealer. Oh my goodness, it's on my hand. Oh, it's wrapping around, guys. It looks like a little necklace. Oh yeah, I can't believe it. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it's underneath my armpits. Alright, guys, so now I'm going to prime my other eyelid. So I'm going to use this palette right here from Morphe. And this is the 3503 Fierce Natural. This is so hard to move. Can you see this, guys? I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to use this, the Morphe brush. It's like a little fluffy brush. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. How does it look?
When they poop?
Yeah, does it look flat?
Like the poop itself?
Yeah.
It's pretty gross.
No, it's like mushy.
They poop and pee at the same time.
Ooh, you heard that, guys? There's my hope for that. Alright, guys, that looks a pretty color. I'm going to do the other eyelid. Now, what? I don't even know what I'm doing, guys. I'm just playing around with colors right now. We're going to use this color right here. Oh, it's wrapped around the cord a little. And I'm going to use a flat brush right here. And this is Morphe M152. So we're just going to place this all around our eyelids. Ooh, guys, you see that is on my head. Oh yeah, we should take a picture. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys, now we're gonna blend that out. I'm gonna use my Morphe 441. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna do it in my other eye. Now I'm going to use this purplish color right here, and I'm just going to smoke everything out. Right here in the inner corner.
Yes.
Oh, guys, can you see that right now? Where is it? Right here. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, he's in my... Oh, okay. Is that okay if he does that?
Oh, sorry.
All right. Oh, he is like... Okay. You see it? Guys, this snake is the one that's doing my makeup right now, not me. So we're just gonna let him choose and pick the colors out. Alright, so now I'm gonna grab that color again. Where is it? This color right here. And I'm gonna place that over my lid again. Concentrating and trying to make like a cute eyeshadow color on your eyelid is hard. Now I'm gonna place the other eyelid. Ooh, he's in my back, guys. So now I'm gonna blend everything out. I'm gonna use this fluffy brush right here, and I'm just gonna blend everything. Oh my gosh, guys. What is this? His bottom is wrapped around my arm. So we're going to see where's it going. It's going. So now I'm going to use my... No, wait. I need to use a better pencil because... Oh my goodness. Guys, I just have my hand. Now what do I do with my hand? Do I just like... I can move it around, or do I just gotta... I'm going to use my NYX. I can't even think. Hold on. So now I'm going to wing my eyes with the snake on my neck. So I'm going to use my NYX pencil. All right, guys, you ready for this? Don't take too long. Oh, he just said he'll be right back. Oh my God. Guys, this is really hard. Ooh. Oh, he got in there. Oh, he got in my makeup thing. Oh my God. What do I do? Oh God. Robbie? Guys, this is real life. Alright guys, since he's coming back, I'm gonna try to finish this. Alright guys, so that is intense. I'm just gonna blend everything out real quick because I've been playing around too much and I got a little freaked out, so my eyeshadow looks a little bit crazy. Guys, I have a mess here, so bear with me. Whoa guys, this is another one. Oh, that one matched. Oh my gosh. Is that one meaner?
No. She's old. She's a little more timid. She'll be more like, what's going on?
Okay. Is she like freaking out because she see the same shirt that I have?
She's like, yo, that looked like me.
Alright guys, so this is another snake right here. Okay, this is the girl?
Yeah, definitely a girl. Other guy could be a girl, but this is definitely a girl.
Okay. Ooh, okay. Alright guys, do you see that snake? Oh yeah, I definitely got it. And this one is a little stronger. Okay, look at this. Now can I move my arm?
Yep.
This is strong. Oh, it's wrapped around like tightly.
Yep, she's just holding on.
So what do I do? I can't.
Is it making you uncomfortable? Do you want me to undo it?
Well, I don't even know how to move this one. Oh, it's okay. Ooh, okay. This one's a little more hyper. Guys, I can't even concentrate right now. Hold on, let me just like take a moment and like think, what am I going to do? I'm just going to start doing my face, my foundation. All right. Oh yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Where's the primer? Primer. I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to use the primer serum. I thought I was going to be more like, yes, I am great at this. But guys, I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken. This is what not to do on your face. Okay. Oh, do you see that? Where did it? This is a total fail. Where did that came from? Okay, guys, I'm going to wipe my face now, and we're going to do this over. All right, so we're going to prime my face one more time. Okay, how you doing? Okay, now I have a nice necklace. Woohoo! Okay, hello. All right, now I'm going to do what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, and this is in what is this? In honey. So I'm going to put that all over my face. Okay.
Concealer.
Oh, you scared me. Whoa. I'm going to put foundation on my face. Wow, you can't even think when you have like a snake on your face. Is that normal? If people scared, they forget things. I really thought that this was gonna be like an, oh my gosh, an easy, like, oh, I got this. Oh, it's leaving.
It's leaving. Just like any other.
Oh my god, I went to my ears.
Yeah.
Woohoo! All right, guys. So now I'm gonna conceal my eye underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna use the Stay Matte. All right, guys. Now I'm just gonna blend that out.
Alright, Snaky's gonna go back to cage.
Alrighty, say bye-bye. Woohoo! Thank you so much for the snake.
Now you can focus.
Now I can focus, guys. I'm so sorry. Alright, so now I'm just going to blend everything out. Guys, that was so scary. Like, I know that this is not one of my best makeup looks, but I was freaking out. I know you see that in through the video, but I'm so sorry. I wanted to do like a crazy challenge using the snake wrapped around my neck, but it's easy to say, but to do, it was kind of scary. Alright guys, so I finish up my face, I finish up my eyes, so I'm done everything. If you want to know what I put underneath my waterline, I put these two colors right here. I placed that underneath my waterline, and I use this nude pencil from Revlon, and I placed that underneath my waterline just to brighten it up and open it up. But yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, me putting the snake on my neck. That was pretty crazy of me. Jessica is cuckoo, but I hope you guys enjoy this. I mean, the makeup came out, I think it's okay, but I hope you guys enjoy this. And guys, if you want more creativity, if you want more craziness on my channel, then please comment down below and let me know, because you know I am here to bring you some entertainment. But guys, if you like my video, give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, bye bye.